Meaning of herbalist.
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 Herbalist. A herbalist is a person who specializes in the use of medicinal plants and herbs to promote health and alleviate illnesses. They have an extensive knowledge of the properties and uses of different plants and are skilled in creating formulations and remedies using natural sources. Herbalists may work in various settings, including clinics, wellness centers, or as independent practitioners. In addition to their practical knowledge, they often have a deep respect for the power of nature and may also incorporate spiritual practices into their healing work. Overall, herbalists offer a holistic approach to healthcare that emphasizes the importance of natural remedies and preventative measures.